In this video, I am going to show you how to run Chrome OS and Chrome OS Flex in dual boot. This PC is running Windows 11. I am restarting the PC now. Here I am fast forwarding the video. I have used a BIOS password on this PC so that if the PC is lost, it cannot be easily turned on and the data will be protected. Crypto-Win software is commonly used to run Chrome OS in dual boot. I am logging in with a password. So you can see that Chrome OS has opened. Restarted Windows 11 and came to Chrome OS. I had already installed some software and games. You can see the Play Store running on Chrome OS. To run Chrome OS, you need to download the Chrome OS recovery file according to your Intel processor. Then, using the branch file, you need to make it bootable on a dual boot or pen drive through Linux and Ubuntu. However, if you have a bootable image file, then Linux and Ubuntu are not needed. You can run Chrome OS in single or dual boot repeatedly with the bootable image file. For this, you need to disable security boot for your PC's BIOS and install the Crypto-Win software. Crypto-Win software is required for dual boot. You just need to go to Crypto-Win software and load the Chrome OS image file. Then your PC will run Chrome OS in dual boot. If you need it, I can prepare the Chrome OS image file. You have to comment and let me know about this. However, Chrome OS does not work the Play Store on older PCs. You can run Chrome OS Flex on older PCs. Normally, Chrome OS Flex cannot be run in dual boot. But I am running Chrome OS Flex dual boot and showing it. Now I am showing Chrome OS Flex running on an old PC in dual boot. Now I am going from an old PC Windows 10 to Chrome OS Flex. I used the GnuTP branch package to run Chrome OS Flex on an old PC in dual boot. You can see the Chrome OS Flex dual boot is running. You will get the image file to run Chrome OS Flex in dual boot for me. But the Play Store does not work on Chrome OS Flex. However, you can run the Play Store on an old PC. For this, you can use PlissOS with dual boot. I am showing that now too. As you can see, 3 OS are running on an old PC. If you want, you can run your PC. Then comment to me. I will give you the image file or show it in the next video.